Okay, welcome to this video. So this video here is a follow-up to another video which I will attach on this video about these wheel cup valves, the aluminum wheel cup valves that get corroded and they get stuck, and it's very hard to remove them, especially when you want to put air in your tire. You can see, um, if I look it up close, you can see what they do is they get corroded with weather and all that, and you can't turn them, so they're stuck. So what you do is you have to find a way to remove them by cutting them. You have to cut them. Some people have power tools. You can use a power tool like a power cutter, like you can reduce all this material around here with a power tool. But if you don't have a power tool, you can use a simple saw just like that. You see that saw? High carbon steel cutting saw, 32T by 12 inch. This really works good too for this, but you need time and patience to get it off. For this one, what I did is I cut two lines. You can see one line here, and another line here. Then I'm just about to remove this one piece here. And once I remove this one piece, I can either use a screwdriver, like remove this middle piece here. Then I can use either a screwdriver to pry this open or this side open and twist it and remove it. Or I can use some pliers to get this piece off here. And then the more material you remove, the easier it is to take it off without damaging the stem valve. Because it's very easy to damage. If you damage this stem valve, now you can't put air in your tire. And the reason I'm removing the cap is because this tire needs air. And I've been waiting for so long to do this. And the tire is getting low and low in air. And you can't remove the cap to put air. So I have to now do it, cut it, and find a way to break it and remove it. And find a plastic cover valves to replace that. So this video just shows you never put these aluminum covers. This ones, even if you go to your mechanic and he puts one in your car or your tires, just remove them and replace them with the plastic covers, because they are easier to deal with than these aluminum valves. So that's just a short video to show you what to do and how to get it off. I'll attach the previous video to this one so you can see, you can follow what I'm talking through. So this is just a short video. Now I'll go ahead. I already cut two lines here, one line here. I'll go ahead and break this off. Use a screwdriver to ply it, or use a pliers to break this part off here. You can see, I mean, it's easy to cut with a saw. You just need time and patience. Don't be in a rush. If you're in a rush, you cut the stem itself with a saw, because the stem, I think, is brass. So you can easily cut it off too with a saw. So be careful, take your time, be patient, and it will come off. Okay, so let me know what you think about this in the comment section. If you have any question or comment, leave down there in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. All right, have a good day. Bye.